MA in Modern History at Leeds is a really exciting programme that gives students access to our wide range of staff here at Leeds, whose expertise in research and teaching relates to all sorts of different parts of the world. So when they come to us, students will learn about modern history, roughly 1800 to the modern day. They'll be thinking about all parts of the world, and they'll be thinking about the different kinds of approaches to modern history that exist today, which might be things like international history or social history, oral history, different methodologies, but also some newer approaches to studying history, things like history of emotions or material culture.
Leeds is in itself a very diverse place in terms of people from different communities, different nationalities. As an international student myself, I found that very welcoming, very at home around here. All of this makes Leeds just a great place to not just study history, but just be a student.
In the School of History, we celebrate our international students. We celebrate the richness they bring into our communities. Ours is a community of academics, teachers, and students. We don't talk down to students, we talk to students. And so our international student body is an enriching body that is constantly kept safe and happy by us.
When our MA students come to Leeds, they are supported by a whole range of module tutors through their core and optional modules, but they're also given an academic personal tutor, and that means that there's someone there for a bit more of an overview of support, as well as a whole suite of offerings at the university level, from careers service to counselling. All of those services are there to make sure students feel supported and looked after.
Increasingly, we're aware that the world is a complex place, and in order to thrive, it's helpful to be able to think about things critically and to understand how to analyse materials and communicate what you've found out about them, and a history degree really sets you up for that.